importanteng actress of this generation, narito po. Watch this.
Wow!
Pilit pinagbabangga, pilit pinagtatapat. Pero ano nga ba talaga ang gusto ng kanilang mga tagahanga?
Kasi ako na yung nakikita namin magkasama kayong huli na. Oo nga, parang dream come true. Sobrang saya ko kasi sa mga magkakasama na sila.
We love you, Dad!
We love you, Julina! Excited na kami mapanood ang pelikula nyo. Kami na solid, Dad! Susuportahan namin ang pelikula nyo ni Jolene. Sigurado magiging blockbuster na naman ito.
Kaya naman, bago nyo pa mapanood ang kanilang pagtatanda ng pelikula, bibigyang katuparan namin ang inyong kahilingan. Dito lang sa inyong legitimate concert stage. Magsasama sina Jolina Magdangal at Julian Santos.
Everyone wants some praise. If you let them do some bad, it's like a place we love to have. I know that I will see one wonderful song. I'm so fun. Somewhere here, stop your crying. Take all the clothes from your head. Smaller than the monsters in your bed. Smaller than the toy on your wall. You get them together and you take them apart. And you never turn another, oh that's true. Multiply like 5,000. All the things that I am afraid of, not afraid to tell. Could ever even legacy is that we know each other well. I've seen the shadows of so many people. I know the pressures of me. Couldn't be better. Tell me the truth. Does it Probably I'm really stop your crying. Just all the clothes from your head. Stronger than the monster in your bed. Stronger than the drifting on your heart. Get them together and take them apart. And look at the that's true. You can buy my fire hours. I'm a shining in the train, just up temptation, something new instead of something old. All you gotta do is fast and you're different than I'm talking about a different thing. I took us forward. Don't you ever forget. Back to me and another. Suddenly my dreams. I'm so bad and back to you. I'm trying to see. So when I say, I'm here, stop. you're crying, just all the cold from your head, older than the monster beneath your bed. Swallow the flame in your heart, together then we'll take them apart. And in your control of all that's true, multiply life by the power of
Salina Batangalan, good afternoon na pala.
Ay, kasama rin natin dalawang beautiful ladies.
Yes. Ouija. Welcome
Isa,
to Sophie. Yan. Ang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ang ganda mo naman, kaya actually sumusobra na sa ganda. Yes. Pinipin kasi kami. Kaya tumangka din ako. High heels lang ang katapat niya. Sorry,
Ako kaya katabi mo.
mga friends, please invite our televiewers sa bago nilang
Opo, sa 25 na po ipapalabas ang Ouija. 24 po, meron kaming Premiere Night sa SM Mega Mall. So, abangan niyo po kaming lahat doon. Nandun kami, lahat ng cast.
Pero mamaya, nasa ano tayo? Nasa SM North. Yan, SM North. Kasi nagsasalita pa eh!
Bukod pa po sa SM North mamaya. Next week po,
Yan.
I love you, Cholino.
Guys,
Sobrang pagmamahal ang nangyayari.
Teka lang. Uy, para magkita-kita tayo.
Makinig po kayo, go!
Listen. Okay, next week po, nasa SM Valenzuela kami sa Saturday. Tapos, linggo naman po, SM Batangas. Kasama namin dyan ang stud. So, magkita-kita tayo dyan.
Correct.
Yes, but later, kami naman ni Jolina magla-live chat. Join us po. 3 p.m. sa IGMA. Magla-live chat kami. Okay?
after SOT.
Yes, opo. Totoo po yun.
So, July 25, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. Ito po ay directed by
Tobel Lee!
Marcelo Jimmy and Diva Phil.
Alam mo, trailer pa lang, alam mo na maganda eh. Nakakatakot na trailer pa lang.
At saka, this is the first horror flick na ginawa ng GMA Film. So, sana po lahat kayo manood. Ako mahilig sa horror.
Para mapagsama mo si Julian saka si Jolina sa isang movie. At kasama pa yung mga si Bebong saka si Ryan. May
Ano na ba yan? Gusto namin malaman kung ano naging involvement na yung mga Jawars.
Ayun na nga, dami hindi sila pumikit. Oo, dahil pag pumikit sila, hindi nila mapapansin.
Join sa movie.
Tama sa movie,
Okay. Abay, maraming salamat naman sa pagkanta ninyo. Thank you so much, Judaji. Thank you. Yan.
1 week na lang po. Andiyan na siya.
Ouija po, panoorin niyo po.
Ay, si Jolina at si Julian, abangan nyo sa Balacuba. Sa Saturday na ang nuts eh. Abangan nyo.
Maraming salamat. Kumusta naman natin sila Richard at Raymond with the cast of the Disney's High School Musical.